Hi, this is Joseph. It's Tuesday, February 10th, 2015, and we're going to talk about some of the trades that we've executed with the Trade Copier program, and then also the current state of the market, at least the way that I'm interpreting this data and the information that I see technically, along with the way the market is. We had a trade quickly on the news, which was here, a bounce off of this support level. So here on the pound dollar, this is the 30-minute time frame. Prior to all of this price action here, during the London session, we saw price remain inside of this consolidation range. Now, the high of that consolidation range was Monday's high at 1.5266 approximately, and that low on Monday, which was 1.5200. Now, that is approximately 66 pips from the high to the low of that consolidation range. And I often talk about the fact that if the range of consolidation is too tight or too small from the high to the low, it could create a possible head fake if a 1 hour candle closes outside of this range. A comfortable consolidation range from the high to the low for me is at least 60, preferably 70 or 80 pips or higher. That's really what I like to see, and it would create an opportunity that if a 1 hour candle closes outside of that range, it would be a more reliable signal. It's not going to turn into a head fake, or not likely to turn into a head fake. So I was waiting for that opportunity, but it doesn't mean that I can't trade inside of consolidation. Inside of consolidation, I use a strategy called the HL30. And when I execute the HL30, it is a 20 pip target and a 20 pip stop. And basically with the HL30 is getting your expectations in line. So I'm trading according to what I see technically and only expecting what it would normally generate, what that trade or that pattern would normally give in a normal market environment. And that's obviously as a result of me testing and using this strategy for many, many, many years. I developed this strategy back in 2001 along with the continuation breakout trade, and it's something that I use pretty consistently. So it's trading off of the previous day's low or high. That's how we use the HL30. Now the HL30 gave me an opportunity to trade it up to that target quickly. It was I had to get in and get out quickly, and you can see that it really didn't go any further, and then it immediately came right back down after it hit that high and then pulled back down to approximately the low of 1.2008 and then settled. But we had already taken our profits. Afterwards it goes sideways, and then we got some news which were for the most part headline driven. And then here we sit currently at this moment. Now, obviously, we're still inside of this overall consolidation range. That's really what I want to draw to your attention, is the fact that we're still inside of this consolidation range right here. It's trading inside of yesterday or Monday's high and low. We obviously see a spike here to the downside and then a spike to the upside, which would cause us to make adjustments to this resistance and support level. That's okay, but being aware of the fact that none of these candles closed outside of this range, that tells me something. We're still moving sideways. I still need to respect the fact that this is consolidation. So I'm going to trade carefully inside of this consolidation range, which is exactly what we see for the most part here on the euro dollar. On the euro dollar, this is the 1 hour, this is the 30-minute time frame, I'm sorry. And here we have the week's high and low. So you can see we're still trading right inside of that range. This is Monday's trading range. This is Tuesday's trading range. So we want to do it very carefully. Again, I would prefer to trade a breakout on the 1 hour time frame where I see a 1 hour candle close outside of this range, which could potentially lead to that continuation trending move where we see the possibility of earning anywhere from 55 pips or more. But at the same time, if price remains inside of consolidation, I may get the opportunity to trade an HL30 and then pick off some smaller trades like a 20 pip target, 20 pip stop, something to that effect. And then do the same thing between the euro dollar, the pound dollar. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you had a great, safe trading day. And if you'd like to start using the trade copier, you can get trades just like this. It's actually me executing the trades for you. I manage each and every one of the trades that I execute personally. So you can click the purchase button and sign up, and then you'll get the trade copier right away, and you should have it installed on your MetaTrader platform in about 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck trading this week.